We were the first African American sisters to found and own a wine company.
Yeah, we entered into this very, homogenous industry that at the time we definitely did not look like we were a part of. We didn't have a lot of experience in.
So we just decided that we weren't going to apologize for our passion, and that we just had to have this unrelentless tenacity to be able to prove ourselves, if you will, and to be successful. We were told that we would never be able to have a large national account like Kroger, but we figured it out.
We met people who were able to help us open other doors, and ultimately also gave us the opportunity to meet other people, women and people of color, who wanted to get into our business, and we were able to help them and to give some advice and to mentor.
It's like, what else can we do to help other women and people of color that are interested in entering this business? And that's what drives us every day in the morning, is our obsession and our love for wine, and how can we bring more women and people of color into this business.